What's the difference between advanced filters and custom views? When am I supposed to use them? This is indeed an interesting question and a very valid one at that. A lot of people have this question because there are many similarities between advanced filters and custom views. But why do we have two features that pretty much do the same thing? When am I supposed to use either of them? This is a good question. And to learn more about the answer, let's get into a CRM account. Now, those of you who have this question must be familiar with custom views and advanced filters to an extent. So, if I have to offer a one liner difference between advanced filters and custom views, I would say that while custom views are a way for you to organize and sort data, advanced filters are a way for you to conduct a search, gain insights, and do further actions on a set of data. What do I mean by this? Now let's get into custom views first. Like we mentioned earlier, custom views are used to organize and sort data. For example, I'm here in the deals module and I have about 52 records here. They are in various stages of deal closure. Now, say I have a necessity to work on deals that are in the product demo stage often. So, I want to categorize these records based on their deal stage because I have various sets of activities planned based on which stage the deals are in. So when these are jumbled up, it's a little difficult for me. Now I want to organize this better. So I go into the all deals view and I create a view, my own view. I call it product demo view. Okay, and I say the condition is that the stage has to be product demo. Okay, save. Right, so now it's sorted. I have 13 records that are in the product demo stage. Similarly, I can go ahead and create maybe a closed one view, right? Whenever stage is closed one, those records will feature in this view, right? These are closed one. Now, instead of 52 records being jumbled up, I can easily go and look at, okay, I want to work on all the deals that are in the product demo stage. Maybe I have a certain action item here, or everything that is in the closed one. As and when records get created and they match this condition, they'll get sorted into this view. Okay, so I can always go to my all deals default view, or I can sort them like this. Similarly, you can base your condition on any field: closing date, stage, expected revenue, or maybe amount. Say big deals. If amount is greater than or equal to say $5,000, in some cases this is considered big deal, right? So these are all your big deals. So you either work with all deals, or specifically you want to do something with bigger value deals, so you sort it. It's just an easier way for you to sort data. So the important thing for you to note here is that in a custom view, your filters that you see here, that is the criteria section, all this consists of these are all record parameters. That is, when you go and fill out a deal form, whatever you see in this expected revenue, these are all record parameters. Bottom line is that custom views have conditions that are based on record parameters, whereas in advanced filters, right, I am on the same deals module. Let's go to the all deals view. Now here, let's say on the left we have what you call the advanced filters. Now it's not just the record parameters. You don't just see deal name, owner, discounts. These are all the fields in this module. It's not just this. You have extra parameters such as the email status, activities, notes. So these are some intelligent parameters. Now, for example, I want to filter out all the deals that have overdue activities. Maybe I'm a little worried about my sales reps not doing the activities that are important for some of these deals. Now, what if I want to filter out such deals? I can just go and say activities are overdue. I don't have to do anything else. I can just conduct a search based on overdue activities, and here they are. Out of 52 deals, there are 4 deals that have overdue activities. So, according to our plan, the activities on these deals must have been over by June 2nd, but it's still pending. It's still not closed yet. Okay, so that's a worrying thing for me. So, what I'll do is I'll probably select all this and change owner. Maybe the person assigned to this is not available or has not been able to meet targets, so I change the person. So, advanced filters combine your record parameters along with a bunch of intelligent parameters such as activities associated or emails that are sent and bounced. If you look at it, there are multiple values here. Emails that are sent, not sent, opened, not opened. So you can conduct a search on activities that are overdue as well as email status is not open. So you have sent emails and there has been no response from the customer, or deals whose amount is greater than or equal to $5,000, that is your big deals, and email and sent in the last 2 days and it's not open. See the level of detail that you can get into. So maybe in this particular case I won't get a result because I may not have the data for it, but these are the possibilities. So the possibilities are just endless. You can keep combining these parameters, do a permutation combination and arrive at the result that you want and perform further actions on it. Now, if you say in our previous example where activities are overdue, these are the deals for which there are pending activities, and this I can do multiple actions. I can send an email to the customers associated, or I can create a task for this further follow-up task. I can tag them pending, pending for long, save. Okay, and or I can do further actions here, do a mass update, change owner. Therefore, advanced filters are more than just a way for you to sort data. It is actually a tool for you to zero in on records for whatever insight that you want to gain, whether it's overdue activities or emails that are not opened and bounced or idle leads. For example, in the leads module, you can say leads that are untouched in the last 2 weeks. Now, these leads have not been followed up with at all. So, out of 200 odd leads, I have now zeroed in on 176 leads that have been idle for the last 2 weeks. So, now I can select everything and then do some follow-up action here. So, advanced filters are a way for you to derive certain insights and perform further actions on them that are going to be helpful for your business operations. Whereas custom views are clear-cut ways for you to organize your data, right? Though there is a bit of overlap. Even advanced filters feature record parameters because you can combine these, but it's not really the same. You can also save both advanced filters and custom views. That's a common thing there, but the purposes are slightly different. While custom views help you organize data, advanced filters helps you zero in on certain records so that you can derive insights and perform further actions on them. So I hope this video has been somewhat helpful in clarifying the difference between the two. You should definitely work on both of them to learn more by yourself. But I hope this has cleared some fog and helped you realize the purpose of both of these tools. Okay, if you have further questions or if you'd like to discuss this subject further, do get back to us by commenting below. Thank you.